Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to translate source to English on Google NotebookLM. So as you see guys, I already have the Google NotebookLM and I'm going to click a source that is in other language. For example, I already have created one, so all you need to do, I will just quickly clear the delete notebook to show you another time. So just click singular C and then you have it. So just, it's really simple. All you need to do, just chat and click translate. Just write translate to English. And as you see, it will give you an explanation right here because I already did that. It gave you an explanation of this text because my text is a copy paste. That doesn't mean nothing. It just says the provided text consists of a single excerpt from a source titled single yes. The fragment is notably brief, containing only the word yes. Given by the brevity, it is difficult to discern. So if you have a normal text, not a copy paste, it will automatically translate to English and give you all of the elements. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.